to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna see some basic HTML tags and CSS properties. First file.html, file.css, HTML. Our first tag is text header. HTML defines 6 levels of heading. As you know, heading element implies all the font changes. The elements are h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. With the h1 being the highest, or I should say most important level as compared to h6. Let's use some CSS properties to this h1 tag. Let me link the CSS file. Link .css. Let's open the live server. Cancel file.html. For h1, display block. Actually it won't appear anything because I didn't write, so let's write hello. It comes hello h1. Actually display block, it means that the elements should be displayed block with some white spaces in above and below. Font size should be 2 em. 2 em means 2 times larger than the current font size. Margin top 0.6 em. Margin bottom 0.67 em. Margin left 0 and margin right 0. Font width should be bold, means 600. It will appear. Let's see this. Let's create it. And the color would be a green, and text transform uppercase. So the CSS properties are applied. We can use the same CSS properties to the rest of tags easily. Let's apply and also make some color effects to init. H2. Let's do one thing. Copy, paste. Sorry, it's not copied. Copy, paste. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's name them 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Because I didn't give anything text to this hello world. Here it comes, hello world. Hello world 3. It will come like this if we apply all the 6 elements like same. Let's change on H2 the color be red, and let's add background color black, and text align center. So our second tag is p tag. P tag defines paragraph or para. So anything defined inside this p tag is treated as paragraph. Let's write it something. This is para. Again, let's use some CSS properties. Here it comes. This is para. E display block, margin top 1 em, margin bottom 1 em, sorry, and margin left 0, margin right 0, color should be white, background color black. Here it comes. Let's keep some font size 25 pixel, and it is attached to the border. Let's give it a padding from top and bottom 10 pixel, and from left and right 10 pixel, and make it transform uppercase, As we see, CSS properties are applied to p tag. There is also one property we can call the p tags by using classes or IDs. Let's use them as pair or classes or ID. Let's call it. For ID, it should be as para, and for class, it is simple as dot. And our third tag is HR tag. HR tag is simply a horizontal rule. It's simply used inside a para to separate or divide a document section. Let's apply some CSS to it. HR width 100 pixel, height 10. Sorry, I should write height, but justify content claims. Height 10 pixel. Color black, and background color black. So the size, color, width and height are changed. Our fourth tag is a tag. Simply defines a hyperlink. It is used to link from one page to another. The important attribute of a tag is hyperlink. If we use a page name like this, HTML or PHP, and I should say link like this. If I click this link, it will redirect to me the page.php. Look, page.php cannot get page.php because it doesn't exist. So let's remove it. Let's add some CSS to a tag. Color black. It should be like link in a systematic way. Link text decoration none, and cursor always should be pointer, and font size 22 pixel, and text transform into capitalize. Look, it comes. Our fifth tag is eval tag. It is a block element. It's useful for creating bullet points. Let's see. Let's create an unordered list. li item 1. Let's give on item 1, then item 2, item 3. Here it comes item 1, 2, 3. Let's add CSS to eval eval list style type should be none. If none, the point before the items are gone. If I use square SQUARE, it comes in square boxes. Well, align text decoration, font size 2 em, color this time red. Let's give red, and text transform capitalize. Our sixth tag is div tag. It simply defines a division or section in HTML document. Let's write div and lorem ipsum, our default text. It comes lorem ipsum default text. Let's add CSS. The class name is div. Should call it div. Background color should be light blue. Color is black. So black. Font size 22 pixel. Font family sans serif. It looks different as it attached to the border. Let's give it padding. Padding of top bottom 10 pixel and from left light reflect 10 pixel. Our last tag is span tag. Span tag is part of text or a part of a document. Span tag, this is, let's write it, this is span, this is span, and let's place it. It comes in last. Let's place it in middle of this text. Let's make it. Here it came. This is span. Now there is no difference between the span tag and the rest of the text. Let's add some CSS to this span to see the differences. As I add the span in div, so I have to write div span font size 25 pixel, font family sans serif, font width 600, and color is to look different. For color to look different, the color should be red. It doesn't come because span tag is span tag, but I give it like a class, so it will not come. Text transform uppercase. So the difference we can see in span text and remaining text. We can use the span tag in many places or inside some text document. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.